When it comes to buying replacement windows for your home in Ferndale, the process can feel overwhelming. With a wide array of options available, it's easy to make mistakes that could lead to frustration, wasted time, and unnecessary costs. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or general maintenance, avoiding common pitfalls will ensure you make the right choice for your home. Here's a guide to help you steer clear of those mistakes. Not understanding your window needs. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is not understanding their specific needs before buying replacement windows. Different homes have different requirements based on their location, climate, and design preferences. In Ferndale, where temperatures can fluctuate widely between seasons, energy-efficient windows are crucial to maintaining indoor comfort and reducing utility bills. For instance, double or triple pane windows with insulating gas like argon can help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Before making a purchase, consider what you value most, whether it's reducing heating costs, improving curb appeal, or minimizing maintenance. Consulting with a window professional who understands local climate conditions can also help you choose windows that meet your needs. Choosing aesthetic over functionality. It's tempting to go for windows that look attractive, but focusing solely on aesthetics can lead to functionality issues. Windows are not just decorative, they serve critical roles in energy efficiency, safety, and comfort. Prioritize the quality of materials and features over appearance to ensure your windows deliver the long-term benefits you're after. For example, opting for windows that are designed to withstand Ferndale's cold winters is essential, even if they aren't the flashiest choice. Remember that the right window can significantly impact the insulation of your home. Windows that are poorly insulated will lead to higher energy bills, uncomfortable drafts, and potential moisture buildup. So, make sure you strike a balance between beauty and functionality. Not getting multiple quotes. Another common mistake is settling for the first quote you receive. Replacement windows can be a significant investment, and prices can vary widely between manufacturers, retailers, and installation companies. By getting multiple quotes, you'll have a better understanding of the fair market price and can compare features, warranties, and services. Don't just focus on the lowest price. It's important to consider the overall value, including the quality of the window, the reputation of the supplier, and the experience of the installers. Sometimes, choosing a slightly more expensive option can save you money in the long run by offering higher energy efficiency and better warranties. Overlooking installation costs and expertise. While choosing high-quality windows is important, the installation process is just as crucial. Poor installation can lead to gaps, leaks, and a range of other issues that can compromise your window's performance and lifespan. To avoid this, it's essential to work with a professional window installer who has experience in your area and knows how to handle the specific requirements of Ferndale homes. Many homeowners make the mistake of attempting a DIY installation or hiring an inexperienced contractor to save money. However, improper installation can void the window warranty and lead to costly repairs down the line. Make sure your installer is licensed, insured, and experienced with local building codes to ensure the job is done right. Ignoring the warranty. A replacement window is an investment, and just like any investment, it's essential to protect it. A warranty provides peace of mind by covering repairs or replacements if your windows encounter defects or damage. Many homeowners overlook this vital step, assuming their windows will last forever without issues. Before making a purchase, carefully review the warranty terms. Look for details on coverage for issues such as window seals, glass breakage, and frame defects. A good warranty can save you a lot of money if something goes wrong down the line. Not considering long-term energy saving. When buying replacement windows, it's easy to focus on the initial cost. However, you should also factor in the long-term energy savings. Energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, but they will pay for themselves over time through reduced energy bills. If you live in Ferndale, where the climate can be harsh, high-quality windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. Look for windows with Energy Star ratings or other energy-efficient certifications. They can keep your home comfortable while saving you money on utility bills. Conclusion. When purchasing replacement windows for your home in Ferndale, it's essential to make informed, thoughtful decisions. By avoiding these common mistakes, understanding your needs, balancing aesthetics with functionality, obtaining multiple quotes, prioritizing expert installation, reviewing warranties, and considering long-term energy savings, you'll be well on your way to making a wise investment in your home. Taking the time to do your research and work with experienced professionals will ensure that your new windows provide lasting value, comfort, and style.